This is the mode button. This is the mute button. Two modes are available. One is heated wire mode. The other is non-heated wire mode. When the heated wire adapter is disconnected, the light will be off. When you connect the heated wire again, the light will be on again. Press the mode button to adjust the temperature. The temperature will be increased by adjusting the degree. The temperature will be changed at least 15 minutes. When it comes to alarm, for example, when the temperature sensor is disconnected, the alarm will be activated. The lights will be on. If you want to silence the alarm, press the mute button. Now the light is on.